to the white lines, go to the white line. Oh, I lost my spray mark. Always find white's the best colour to see. I don't like, yellow's good, red is a dreadful colour. Like a dreadful colour. It seems to just go dark straight away. I'm, as we all know, partial to a bit of yellow. Tim guys coming to have a nose. Sounds like a train, like choo 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 choo, cutting, yeah, cutting through. And that's us done there. Give us a timber. Come on, plane, off you go. There we go. We'll sweep a bit of the edge out first. Force it all into the hole. I do need to clean out this bucket because it's just mounted up with sweeper planes. I'll do that when we get 5, fit them in. And we can, yeah, I'll clean the bucket out. Some more patches down this side. I'll have to, I might be able to get them ones actually this side. Sometimes it's easy just turning it around because obviously, you know, if I can only go curb edge, left hand side, you can get most of the stuff, to be honest with you. You're only talking about the 10% of the other way. Trying to do my best sweeping before somebody annihilates me on a video for being the dreadful operator. But I do not profess to be a good operator. Whenever I do all these operator challenges, I usually fail drastically. On the old backer one plant ops, I dropped one of the buckets. Actually, yeah, I dropped one bucket and then the whole bucket went down. Yeah, it was an embarrassing day. We won't really live that one. Sure, I bet someone's got the footage of it that one day will come out. As maybe if I give somebody jip online like a joke, they'll ruin me and my credentials. So yeah. For the dog to walk past. Don't want to scare the dog. Yeah, we don't want to be sending any dogs nervous breakdown. Oh well, dog's gone. We're just letting the brake work its way down. A little nice flick at the end, probably taking out far too much. There you go. I did order a sucker, to be fair, so it should be being delivered today. Rip that one. I'm really going to have to tie this, but clean this bucket out with a shovel. It's just where the wet planings get mowed up in it. Yeah, it's ruddy horrible. Yeah, it's not nice when we get such the dry planings fly in and out, and the wet just turns into soft. go, sweep that up, and then we can move on to the next patches. Spin it around, the plane taking off. I think a load of Ryanair take off today, they said, for the weekend. I imagine here next week will be busy with planes, with the bank holiday and all that jazz too. Not too far, yeah. I'll just knock that one out. Perfectionist. I hate not smooth edges. I'm just going to knock one like that. Well, just to get it even smoother. There's a lot of water in the end here. Like I say, if you're doing, you know, big patches, you need the need the water on board. That's why I make sure I'm full with it. Because we're sweeping up next to an edge, then it's just yeah, there's no edge really. And then we can get on to the next one. Going to dump this in the old tippet. I think we're on the opposite side now, so we'll do a bit of slowing, speed ourselves up a bit, put this on here, and then